Alright, so it's Slice Dinero here with another banger. This is here at the airport in Denver, Colorado. I just want to share with you guys a few of my airport tips and tricks on how to get through and maneuver through the airport, book flights and whatnot. So if you as an individual ready to start catching more flights than your favorite athlete, this is a video for you. One, let's start on the booking your flights. If you're looking for cheap flights, I go to Skip Lab. And more importantly than that, book before time. Don't do last minute, but if you're looking for last minute and you're looking for the cheapest flight possible, go to Skip Lab. Even hit up Expedia. Of course you want to know that, but Skip Lab is my go-to. Though. Travel light if you're going through Skip Lab. Hack number 2. This is one I use all the time. Let's say if you got a middle seat, and that middle seat, and you don't really like the middle seat, right? You either want the window or the aisle. If you want the window and the aisle, make sure you get here before time. This is the airport. You want to be there at least an hour early. 30 minutes the latest. Like you don't want to be here and the flight is already boarding. Come on now, you're not going to get these hacks. So what you would do first, I want y'all to do first, get on time, get to the person and let them know you got a stomach ache. I need to be on the window. I need to be on the aisle seat. You feel me? Give them an excuse, let them know. Because 9 times out of 10, depending on how you talk to the individual, they're going to help you out if it's another seat. Right? You feel me? Yeah, just use that hack. Got me a aisle seat, window seat. She told me this seat is all by myself, so this dolo. I'm in the back, but don't act like it didn't work, man. Don't act like this hack didn't work, man. Whole seat. Make sure you get there early, man. It's a little different. You got your feet up. Another hack, and they cracking down on this too. So no matter how much you order on the flight, everything for free. So if you got an empty card that don't got no money on it, empty cash card, the empty card, take that on the flight with you, order all the drinks you want, order all the chips, all the food, and use that card that don't got no money on it. Because when the flight is in the air, they are not able to actually run the card. So when it touchdown, it's gonna bounce and you got everything you need for free. So a lot of these things, a lot of these hacks, you just gotta be more proactive about it. I like getting the seats here with the plugs. You feel me? Gotta get next to a plug, charge up, make sure you charge up. Power bank is mando, but don't jump in no flights if you ain't charged up, man. Come on, man. Traveling is fun. Make sure you come cozy. Every time I fly, I got something. 9 times out of 10, I'm always got a tracksuit on, but I'm traveling cozy. You want to travel cozy, man. A lot of people got their own fits. If you cold and you tend to get cold a lot, definitely bring a blanket. Some people with the neck pillow. I don't need all that. I bring me a book or get a nice audio book. Make sure it's downloaded so the whole flight I'm actually just tapped in learning. And I grab me a cup of coffee too. So flights is the time for me to really tap in and study for real. And if I ain't doing that, I'll probably listen to an album that's just dropped. So there's plenty of airport hacks, plenty of ways, plenty of opportunities to take advantage. It's another one too. And hopefully this one is not like, this should be common sense. Like have a bag, a book bag, a nice good book bag. Cause sometimes if you carrying your light, you traveling light, and you only got to carry on, have a book bag, man. Cause you're gonna have to have stuff that you wanna move around with, especially if you got a long flight, longer than an hour, 2 hours. But have a book bag. Girl, you see, like, just be honest. You got plenty of things you wanna carry around. They all ain't gonna fit in your pocket. You put them all in the bag that you checked in that's under the plane, you ain't gonna have access to none of that. So make sure you have a book bag. A bag for your essentials. That's mando. But nothing is more attractive in business than a well-traveled man. So catch more flights than your favorite athlete. Ball like you spectacular or amazing. My uncle told me one thing. He said, only 2 things is amazing, man. That's Jesus and Spider-Man. So I guess I'm 3. I'm gonna see y'all later, man. Peace.